strikes again. Whoa, some niggas bitter with life and they hate me. They wanna put a knife in my ribs. Whoa, way this shit set up, I live like Ronaldo, but I never been to Madrid. Whoa, she said that she working, I told her come over and we could get right at the crib.
Hey yo, what is good, family? Welcome back to Astro Nori for another video. By the title, y'all already know what's going on today. I'm gonna be unboxing some pieces once again, and I feel like I got some pretty good stuff this time. I got some heat, I got some Jordans here. I got some pickups that you guys might be wanting to see. If you guys do end up enjoying this video, go ahead and leave it a like down below. Subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Click that Gleam link at the top of the description if you do want to win a Supreme sticker pack. This sticker pack is probably worth like $25 to $30. We got a Fear the Black Planet sticker, Scarface sticker, the Mona Lisa, a Tri-Ferg, and 2 Supreme box logos. I feel like after this, I'm gonna collab with somebody to do a giveaway for you guys. And I also did ship out the Gons tee today, so that should be arriving to the giveaway winner really shortly. Now with all that out the way, let's get straight into this video. So like I said before, I have a couple pieces that I feel like you guys might be interested in, and it's actually some heat. I got these for some steals too, considering the fact that they're not even that expensive to begin with. These shits are hard. Like I actually do really enjoy these pieces, and I'm a big fan, I'm not gonna lie. I got this Cause Uniqlo tee, but this isn't from the most recent drop. This dropped like a couple years back, or maybe like a year and a half ago. This shit right here is fire, bro. I would definitely wear this with my Royals. It has that little hint of blue on it, then it has like this black and gray color. It's a little bit on the more subtle side when it comes to cost. I really do like it because it is simple and this isn't like over the top. This piece right here is super clean. It's all black, has like the little Cause figure on a cloud. And honestly, I got this tee from my Royals. I feel like this with the Jordan 1 Royals and like some black skinnies or some jean colored skinnies, shit would be a sick outfit. I might fuck around and take a fit pic with that shit, but nah, I just overall like it. Now I do have a couple announcements to make at the end of the video. Please stay around for that because I do want to pick up the pace of the channel, and I do want to include a couple more different types of videos, not just unboxings and Supreme. I might also get into Palace again. Honestly, I fell off of Palace for a little while because that shit was dead, bro. Like last season of Palace, that shit was dead. I'm not gonna lie, you feel me? I gotta keep it 1,000 with you. Like that shit was ass. This season looks like it has potential, so I might go ahead and dabble into that. I also have a couple sneaker videos. I might do Hotta Cops, all that type of stuff. I'm not about to just get centered on this Supreme shit and leave it at that because I feel like I've gotten lazy and I've literally only worked on dropless videos, and it's kind of frustrating to me because I used to upload videos that sometimes didn't have to do so much with the views, but it had to do with some shit that I actually enjoy. I really do like sneakers and other brands other than Supreme, but I obviously do like Supreme, as you guys know. But yeah, this second piece we got right here is another Cause Uniqlo tee, but this one is like more on a colorful type of vibe. This one is actually really hard. I like the way that the colors pop on this like white color. The figures actually do spell Cause, and I'm sorry for the lighting, bro. The figures do spell out Cause, which is another clean touch to this piece. Honestly, this shit was cheap. Like Cause Uniqlo pieces are the cheapest, most hyped items that you could possibly buy. These are $14.90, and I picked it up for like $20 on resale, so it's not bad at all, you feel me? This white piece is honestly really clean, and you could wear it with a multitude of stuff. Since it's like multicolored, you could pull off a lot of stuff with it. It all depends on how you pull it off and what you do with it. But this is another dope ass Cause piece in my opinion. I really do like this one, and this one's gonna stay in the collection for a minute. I honestly don't even know why I haven't worn it yet. What I do like about the Cause pieces is that since they're so cheap, you don't really care as much about them. Not in a bad way, but like you would wear them and it doesn't matter if they get dirty, all that type of shit, you feel me? That's just how I look at it. Alright, so now we about to get into a little bit of Supreme. This isn't what the title of the video might be. I don't even know what the title of the video is, but this is a piece that I picked up a minute ago. Like I picked this shit up when I was at my other crib, and I haven't even showed you guys this shit. So I'm gonna do it right now, you feel me? Like it's never too late. I'm trying to tell you, bro. We got the Supreme tee right here. I think this is called the Grid tee or some shit like that. It has like a cool design on the front. It's like a grid design, hence the Grid tee. But it does say Supreme right there. Then on the back, you do have another graphic, which I'm honestly really a fan of. I love graffiti, so this is honestly sick. I feel like this is about to come in handy since it's about to get super brick outside. Long sleeves are a must, you feel me? So this is gonna definitely get used, and the fact that I bought this used, it's perfect because I'm gonna keep using it. That's how I feel about it. But yeah, we got the Supreme tee. I got this shit for a steal, bro. Probably like $34, which is not a bad price at all. Y'all already know that's less than retail. That's how we coming. This shit is pretty clean. Got that graffiti titty on the back, got that grid design on the front, and that was the third piece that I had to show you guys. Now this next piece is probably what's somewhere on the title of the video, and that might be why you clicked on it. Shit, hopefully you clicked on it because it said Astro Nori and not just the title, but fuck it. Either way, we gooch. Bang. We got the Supreme bag right here, and this is from last week's drop. I'm pretty sure if you watched the live cop, you already know what it is. Right here, we got a sticker pack. I'm gonna show you guys the stickers real quick before I show you the piece. Oh my God. We got the Supreme box logo. You already know how that go. And we got 2 more stickers in here. I did get the liquid sword sticker, which is actually pretty dope. I like the sticker more than the shirt. I'm not even gonna lie. That box logo right there really completes it for me. It's just like a little bit extra. Like, look, plain, you know, it's Supreme. Bang, bang. It's just different. It's a little subtle touch, but it's really different. Then we got basic instructions before leaving Earth on the back, Supreme box logo and Jizza right under it. Really clean sticker, not gonna lie. We do have another group sticker as well, which is super clean. These are the Supremes if you didn't know. Bang, we got the stickers right there. Then in the bag, we got the beanie right here. If you guys didn't know already, Nike put out a statement saying that these pieces have been in stock and they were trying to put it in clearance for like a year, and they're so glad that Supreme took on the collaboration so they could actually get rid of the pieces. So these were Nike bricks that we got as Supreme bricks. So just put the math together, and now that I see that Nike said that, I imagine how many times they've done that and actually have got like deals on the item. So imagine if Nike's selling this on clearance, right? And Supreme wants to collaborate, the prices of the actual item will be less for Supreme, so the profit margin is bigger. I think I'm ranting right now, but that shit makes sense. I feel like Supreme be taking shit off clearance and being like, yo, slap that Supreme shit on it. We about to make a come up on this shit. Like, look, Nike, maybe like $15 on clearance. Supreme, $40. Let me know what you think down below. I'm just saying, that's just my little theory, but this shit is still clean. Like, it is what it is at the end of the day. This is what we signed up for when we like Supreme. We got that simple ass Supreme on the back, Nike embroidered on the front. We got this Supreme like Nike lab type tag right here. Got the Supreme logo at the bottom, regular Nike at the top. You could literally see, yo, this is crazy. You could literally see the tag ripped off. Like, they ripped off the price off of it. I really hope you guys could see that. Like, you could tell they ripped off the price from right there. This shit is crazy, bruh. Supreme is literally scamming us. That's the title of my video. We're getting scammed, bro. Look, Supreme is literally scamming us, bruh. They got this in clearance and sold it to us for regular price. That's crazy, son. Like, at least put these shits for a lower price. It is what it is. At the end of the day, I bought it, so I can't say shit about it. The piece looks alright, you feel me? But if it didn't have this, would you buy it? I probably wouldn't. That's just what it is. And I guess I'm a hype beast for that, but I'm also being honest at the end of the day. Now, I do got one more thing to show you guys. And if you remember what I said at the beginning of the video, then you probably know what that is. Right here, we got this package, and it's actually a pair of sneakers. I don't think I've unboxed a pair of sneakers in a little minute. Matter of fact, I have. I got the Cactus Jacks not too long ago, but these shits I've actually wanted since I was a kid. And when I went to the store to actually try and get these in a different color, like a variation of it, they simply said, nah, we don't got your size. So I had to go with another colorway, and that would be the Jordan 6s. I went to get the Varsity Reds like in 2010 or some shit like that, and they was like, nah, bro, we don't got your size. So I ended up getting the Lakers 6s, which is actually one of my favorite 6s. I'm not gonna lie, they played me, you feel me? So I had to go back and re-up on the sneaker that I actually originally wanted. But at the end of the day, I got these shits for a crazy steal. Like, bro, I got these shits for 100 beans, bro. Like, $100. Come on, son, that's a steal. I love these 6s, and that price, like, it's unbeatable. I was honestly looking for the Varsity 6s because I like the tone of red on those more. This more so looks like a pinkish red. I like that bloody, like, deep ass red, like that hat right there. I like that type of red on these better. It makes them pop better. I'm pretty good with these at the end of the day. For $100, it's not a bad come up. The condition on the sneakers isn't all that bad after really looking at it. There's not too much heel drag, no like stains really. They're a sick come up, you feel me? So this is the last pickup I had to show you guys today. That pretty much does it for all the pickups. I got these Jordan 1s, 2 CAW tees, a Supreme long sleeve, and I got that Nike beanie, which we got scammed on. I'm trying to tell you, bruh. This right here is actually clean, bro. I'm not even gonna hold you. I'm gonna be wearing these a whole lot. This is my second pair of 6s. I do have a low pair, which is alright, but I'ma definitely be freaking these a whole lot, and I might start doing outfits of the day. Like, that's what I honestly wanted to talk about now that I unboxed everything. Give me a second. All right, so there was a couple things that I wanted to mention at the beginning of the video, but I'd rather put it at the end for those who actually want to stick around. I'm actually gonna be doing more palace reviews. I'm gonna be doing a lot more stuff. I plan on doing outfits of the week. If you guys would like to see that, it's either outfits of the week or sneaker rotations. You guys let me know down below. I'm gonna officially start doing the fit pick video real soon. I'm gonna start gathering them all up and do that. I'm gonna open a PO box real soon once I get my whip so I could pull up to the PO box if you guys want to send me anything. That's another thing I wanted to talk about. I have a couple things that I actually do want to do. I got like a Funko Pop video coming on the way. I want to see how you guys like that. I got an actual vlog from the summer that I might be dropping. See how you guys like that. There's a lot of things that I actually do have in the works, and I feel like I've gotten lazy, bro. That's a fact. Like, I've been posting every 2 to 3 days, and that shit is unacceptable. So I'm about to get back on my pimping, and y'all about to see Astro Nori way more on your sub box. So go ahead and click the post notification bell, because I'm about to be back like swimwear, you feel me? We about to get the bag, we gotta get the check, so let's do this shit, bro. We about to get back on our pimping. But with all that out the way, bro, go ahead and click the post notification bells. That shit will definitely mean a lot. Click the like, subscribe to the channel, click the Gleam link if you do want to enter in the giveaway. I promise I have something better on the way. I did ship out the giveaway winner's actual prize, so that should be arriving to him soon. I'm gonna see if he would do like a little unboxing clip, just so you guys know that I'm not actually like fronting with these giveaways. I guess I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out. You dig?
Strikes again, whoa. Some niggas bitter with life and